Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Charge the watch to a useful level and make sure your phone has Bluetooth enabled. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to boot. You'll see the logo. Once powered, keep the devices within a few feet because Bluetooth pairing works best when close. Make sure to use the original charger or a certified 5V adapter to avoid slow charging or errors. Now, move to pairing. Don't skip this step because it links notifications and settings. You open the companion app on your phone and grant permissions like location and notifications. Those are required for full functionality. Follow the on-screen pairing code and confirm the code shown on the watch. This secures the connection. Once paired, configure core preferences. Select a watch face, enable or disable specific app notifications, and set health tracking options. Make sure to sync once done so settings transfer. If prompted, allow firmware updates now. Updating first avoids glitches later. You finish by completing the initial sync. Verify time, contacts, and a test notification arrive within 2 minutes. Configure health sensors. Set wrist placement, dominant hand, and a step goal so metrics are accurate. Enable continuous heart monitoring only if you understand battery trade-offs. Once done, explore quick gestures and shortcuts. If notifications fail or syncing stalls for more than 5 minutes, restart both devices and repair. This resolves most connection issues. Finally, check for one last firmware update and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.